Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Press a 14 Oz block of firm or extra firm tofu for 20 minutes to remove moisture. This makes it crisp when fried. Cut the tofu into 1-inch cubes and toss gently with 1 tablespoon cornstarch and a pinch of salt to create a light crust. Prepare the vegetables. Measure 1 cup broccoli florets, slice 1 red bell pepper, and slice 1 carrot on the bias. Mince 2 cloves garlic and 1-inch fresh ginger. Keep everything within arm's reach for fast stir-frying. Combine the sauce in a small bowl. Whisk 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, and 1/2 cup vegetable broth until smooth. Heat a 12-inch skillet or wok over medium-high heat and add 2 tablespoons neutral oil. Fry the coated tofu in a single layer about 6 to 8 minutes, turning to brown all sides. Remove and set aside. Add another tablespoon oil if needed. Stir-fry the broccoli. After adding the sauce, toss tofu and vegetables together and simmer 1 to 2 minutes until the sauce thickens and coats everything evenly. Turn off the heat and stir in 1 teaspoon sesame oil and sliced green onions to brighten flavor. Serve over steamed rice or noodles immediately for the best texture. To store, cool within 1 hour and refrigerate in an airtight container up to 3 days. Reheat in a skillet over medium heat to refresh crispness, adding a splash of water if needed to loosen the sauce.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.